Off the top at 4 o'clock, brand new criminal indictments handed down to the subject of an I-team investigation that has now spanned 5 years. Hello again, everyone. I'm Ken Molestina.
And I'm Gilma Avalos. A grand jury indicted Sundance behavioral health care system on 9 counts, accusing them of detaining patients longer than allowed without a court order. Our Ginger Allen started looking into the hospital chain in 2013. She joins us live from the CBS Tower in Dallas now with the latest. Ginger?
Yes, we have been looking into Sundance now for 5 years. It's a mental health facility that has hospitals in Fort Worth, Arlington, and Garland. Each time we do a story on this year after year, we receive comments from patients and viewers like you reaching out to us telling us that they have had a horrible experience at these facilities. Now, we have talked to state and federal authorities, state and federal lawmakers, advocates, and today we've learned with this indictment, it's Tarrant County taking action.
Mental rights activists are calling this a victory for patients. In this 9-count indictment, Sundance Behavioral Health Care System is charged with holding 4 patients involuntarily and illegally at the Arlington facility against their will without obtaining a court order.
CBS 11.
For years, families have contacted the I-team complaining about loved ones becoming victims of suicide, attempted suicides, alleged dangers, abuse. A recent lawsuit claims sexual assault. Former employees have shown us pictures, they say, taken inside of patients' rooms, damage, and employees sleeping on the job. And children have told us about threats with needles and sedatives known as booty juice.
Booty juice. We called it the booty juice. We got threatened with it if we stood up for one another.
But in 5 years, the complaint we've heard the most is patients, in their words, held hostage, unable to leave. Our undercover cameras caught parents fighting to get their children out with lawyers by their sides.
I'll never let it happen again, Maddie, I promise. Never.
Today, Tarrant County Criminal District Attorney Sharon Wilson said these offenses were a corporate failure and the corporation must be held accountable.
And attorneys for Sundance sent us this statement in part saying the indictment ignores legislatively enacted blanket immunity, which allows medical professionals discretion in treatment and ultimately in the good faith decision to discharge. Now, they go on to say that this indictment could have a chilling effect on the whole profession. Ken?
Ginger, we've heard of nurses and doctors being indicted before, but we're talking about an entire hospital corporation. What happens next here?
Gilma, I am told that the court proceedings will move forward. The owners will go before a judge sometime in mid-December. The judge will decide the court schedule and how the criminal proceedings will carry on. If this institution is convicted, it could face a $3.3 million fine and be named a convicted felon. Gilma, it's a story we followed for a long time and we will continue to follow.
Ginger, great work. We appreciate it. And Ginger, as you know, has been reporting on the hospital for 5 years now. You can catch up on her past stories on our website, cbsdfw.com.